Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Wild Backyard Soaps. Thank you for joining me today for this soapy adventure. We are going to make unscented avocado and charcoal soap, and it has real avocado oil and avocado puree in it. And I did add a little bit of spirulina powder in with the avocado puree just for a little extra green, just for fun. But this is considered an all-natural soap. I wanted to show you this. In the past, I have made avocado soap that looks like this. So you basically buy this 1-inch round mold, and you can find it either on Amazon or Brambleberry. So I would make a small batch and add some charcoal and cocoa powder to do these balls, which would be the pit, obviously. And then I have some of these round silicone molds. I've got a couple of these, and this would be for the avocado part. And then what I tried one time, the last time I tried this, I got really frustrated, which is why we're not going to do it in avocado shape today. I laid them upside down like this to paint a skin on it, but they kept slipping around and made a horrible mess. And then I got so frustrated, I didn't even spray them or anything, and I just let them get soda ash. I was just so done. So I'm calling this my ugly avocado, and I will sell these locally and probably not on my shop. But yeah, I shaved around the edge of this too. So if you want to make this avocado soap, you can follow the recipe and either do a small batch for the pits and then a big batch later for the avocado part. Or what I'm going to just do today is a hanger swirl. So I'm just going to do about 2/3 of it with the greenish color and 1/3 with the charcoal and pour that in and swirl it up and call it good. Much easier and faster, and that's what I'm in the mood for today. So let's get started. One more thing I was going to say, this is the custom mold that my husband made for me. And I just have it lined with freezer paper, and then I marked along the sides about every inch for slicing, but I don't have any special inserts to put in this today, so that'll make it easy. If you have a struggle like I used to getting freezer paper in a mold, I have a separate video that you can look up on how to line your molds with freezer paper. So I found a trick that works really well and is not that hard to do, so you can give that a try. I'm soaping at just over 100 degrees today. I am pretty happy with how that turned out. We'll see how the swirls do when we cut it in a couple of days. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. All right, it's been 4 days. Look at this ginormous, all natural, unscented avocado charcoal bar. Yeah. Okay, so I get a little hung up on hanger swirls every once in a while. Oh yeah, loving the puns there. Anyways, so I tend to swirl and over mix sometimes, which just blends the colors together and makes them kind of mushy. So let's cut this open and see if that happened this time or not. So I did not overmix. Woo woo woo! However, it looks like I could have done a little bit more of a swirl in the middle. But that's the fun thing about soap, is every single one turns out different. They all have their own little personality, and that's what makes you keep making soap, because it always turns out different. It's so fun. Thank you again for joining me on this soapy adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.